camera, but I got my cell phone, so I'll do a little bit of recording on my phone. We'll see how this turns out. I'm headed to Copart right now, and I'm going to look at a car that it's more of just a dream. I know I'm not going to win it because the price already jumped up on it, but I want to go look at it anyway, because if it didn't go higher than I could bid, then I'd be kicking myself in the ass. So I got to go look at this thing. There's another car I want to look at too. So let's go to Copart and check this shit out. It's really windy, so sorry if you can't hear me. But look at this. This isn't why I'm here. I don't want to get that in the video. My buddy's already, and I have another guy working so I'm looking at right here.
You know, when I see a car like this, first thing I do is I say, would you look at this? You know what I mean?
Yeah, sure. Airbag blue. Not bad. Pretty clean inside. Keys here. I'm gonna pop the hood and check the oil. Maybe. Might not be able to pop the hood. There's a dent in the hood right here. Oh, the hood's dented here. These are aluminum. We're good. Fire it up. It is an automatic, unfortunately. Oh, the service airbag light's on? Wouldn't have guessed. Got a little bit of a lifter tap. Up, it went away. That's a common GM thing.
Point me in the direction where there's a bag of money that I can have. Come on, phone. Cooperate.
So what are we looking at here? Let's see. The headliner could be reused, but it did mess it up here. We got side curtain airbags, which are no big deal once you take the headliner down. Steering wheel bag is not a big deal. You've got to get caulk spring and stuff, but the motor sounds healthy. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. Like the bid's already pretty high on it, and I don't have much bidding power to go very far over it, but I might. So we'll see what happens. Looking at this is what I'm more likely gonna bid on, because I have somebody that wants it. It's a Volkswagen CC. Carries in the wind. It's got 120,000 on it. Stick shift, clean, nice interior. does have a check engine light. It needs a core support. A fender hood is okay. Needs a bumper, headlight, core support, grill. That's about it. Inner fender. Skid plates hanging down underneath. But didn't damage the intercooler or the condenser or anything around there. I mean, the car's in pretty shape besides that. So, people in there that I work with. Everybody that was in there looking at cars were people that I work with. I was like, oh, hey, what's up? So, but yeah, that Camaro is just as nice as the pictures looked. I'm gonna have to up my bidding power.
Hey, if you take out a bank loan, you gotta repay that shit.
Although the Camaro's nice. I want to bid on it, but I'm gonna wait until tomorrow and see where it's at. I can almost guarantee you it's gonna go way over what I can bid, and I don't want to put myself in a situation where I drain my bank account, and I don't have big YouTuber money, so unfortunately I don't think the Camaro is going to be in the future. The Volkswagen looked nice, and I already have somebody that's interested in it, so we'll see how that turns out tomorrow. But we have the funeral for Ashley's gram tomorrow, and I don't know how long that's going to take. I probably won't be able to pick up the car if I do get one until Monday. But yeah, we'll see what happens. I need to work on the Ford a little bit, and hopefully we'll get it up and running and ready to go. Get all the suspension parts on I need, and what else I got? I got the door parts. They came in today, so got a scooter. Alright, so I took you guys' advice, and I went ahead and ordered the window regulator, like the whole setup. I should have just, honestly, I should have researched how the windows worked, and I didn't realize how cheap it was for a new window regulator. It was 38 bucks for like the whole setup, motor and all, plus shipping was $48. So I just went ahead and ordered it. To me, that looks a lot easier. I mean, I kind of know how they work now because I took that one apart. These hold the window in place. This is how it goes in the truck, and it bolts on to the door here, 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 and here. And I have extra bolts because I kept those whenever I took that other one out. So that way, in case I lose something. Oh, I think it also bolts on here. Yeah. So, and then you have to prop the glass up, and then once you get everything situated in there, then you can set the glass and the clamps here. You loosen these up and get the glass in, and then tighten them back up again. I don't know that we'll get into that this weekend. We might. It just depends on how long it takes me to take the suspension off and straighten that frame out where the A-arm goes in and everything, and I don't have any issues with that. Then we'll throw this in too, and then that truck will be ready. So that way, if I do get another project, it's one less that I can put it for sale on to the next one. But no, I have one bite on the Genesis. The guy hasn't got back to me, so it's just like any other car I have for sale. You give these people that are interested, but then they don't message you back. If you're really interested, come look at it. That's the way I feel about it. So yeah, the Genesis is still here. Anybody interested, get a hold of me. Go to my Facebook page, check it out. You can message me on there if you're interested. So the car looks great. So we got to go to Ashley's Graham's funeral. I'm watching the auction right now, but I'm not gonna be able to pick anything up today if I do win anything. But the Camaro looks like it's out of reach at this point. I'm gonna watch it. If there's no other bids, yeah, I'll bid, but everything's going higher than I expected this week, so I don't think I'm getting it. So we had to go back to the funeral for the service. That was just the viewing. We're going home right now, so I had to go get a cashier's check at the bank to pay for a car. Yeah, got another project. So that and my new camera, I got another one of these since I broke the headphone port in this one, or the microphone port. I got a second one of these. This thing still works, and it works good. And my screen's cracked also. I dropped it and cracked the screen. So I have a second one coming, and I'll be able to use my microphone with it. So I might use that camera a lot more than these ones, which is the wide angle lens. So I'll be able to get more in the shot, but we'll see. It'll be nice for action shots because now I have 4 cameras. So I'll be able to get multiple different angles for videos and stuff, which will be pretty decent. Alright, so this is my new camera. It's like I said, it's the same as this one. It is a little bit different though. I mean, like, looking at it wise, it's the same, but the operating system's not working. Like, it works the same, but it has different options. Like, maybe it's a more updated version. I don't know. But the microphone looks like it works with it. And then when we're out looking at cars and stuff, I can put this on the microphone and it'll block wind noise. So that helps out greatly. So I'll see how this video turned out. So we're finally done with all the funeral stuff. I really don't have time to do anything, but I do need to advertise my motorcycle for sale. So I'm gonna go out here and get it out, and I'm gonna take it for a little spin. So I guess enjoy this ad. And after this, tomorrow I'm gonna bust ass on this Ford and hopefully get it done tomorrow, because I have another project I have to go pick up on Monday. Alright, so I decided I'm selling my bike. I kind of want a newer bike. This bike is pretty radical. It's a 2014 Yamaha FZ9. If you like fast stuff, this is for you. This thing rips. It feels like a dirt bike, like weight wise, but it feels like an R1 power wise. I mean, it rips. It has a tuned ECU, has the ECU reprogrammed, GPR exhaust, yeah, and I believe the program changes when the fans come on. I have the GPR exhaust on there. Fairly low mileage because I don't ride it that much, and I gotta find my key now. I have 5,726 miles on it, but I'm gonna ride it. I'm gonna go fill this thing up and get some video of me riding it. So let's take her for a rip. Yeah, so like I said, it's a 2014 FZ9, 5,700 some miles on it. The bike really rips. It runs good. I forget, V-Cycle Nut is who did the tune, who flash tuned it. They have 3 throttle settings on there, and I can't remember that it's changed from what the stock is because he tuned it, and the thing just rips. It's tuned to the exhaust. There is an inline small catalytic converter. You can't even tell it's there. It's inside the pipe. But that bike has like a very wide torque band in it. Like right off the bat, it's like 50 foot-pounds of torque, like right off idle. So that's what gives that bike so much punch and why it rips so much. But the bike runs awesome. It's just, I kind of want something a little bit more tame, like a sport touring bike or something. So I'm gonna sell this one, and I'm gonna list it for $5 grand. So if anybody's interested, hit me up. That's gonna be the end of this video. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.
Peace out.